Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to make these country rap vocals like Lil Nas X, and it's kind of inspired by his song Old Time Road with Billy Ray Cyrus. And my song is a bit different, but the style and the vibe is kind of inspired by his song. So first I'm gonna show you the beat that I created, and then I'm gonna show you the dry vocals, and then I'm gonna show you the effects to put on the vocals to make them sound better. And of course I cannot really sing well, so that makes this even more interesting, because really anyone can do it if you use these techniques. So yeah, let me play the beat first. It's a rather simple beat and it goes like this. So yeah, I took this country guitar loop and then put an 808 and a basic hip-hop drum beat over it, and we got this little country rap beat. Some hi-hats, the 808s, and this basic drum beat. Okay, so that's it for the beat. It's really simple. And now for the vocals. So first I'm gonna show you the dry vocals with no effects on them, exactly how I sang them when I recorded it. I also made these lyrics kind of inspired by the original song, but as you can see I was kind of just like messing around and having some fun, because that's what this is all about. And if you're wondering what schleem is, I think it's a made-up word and it's from Rick and Morty, and it's what they use to create a plumbus. I mean, obviously you know what a plumbus is. Everyone has one in their home, but schleem, yeah, is a made-up word. And yeah, so let's play the vocal with no effects. This is gonna be pretty bad, but I always like to show it so you can hear the original voice and how much you can transform it with some effects.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more. Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more.
So that's the first part of the vocal. Then we got another part that was also inspired by the song where he used this deeper voice, and that is this part right here. Why are you so mean? Rub it with some schleem. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Rub it with some schleem. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. So basically I just talk in a really deep voice, try to sound really tired or lazy or whatever. And that's the voice that we got. And then there's a third one I did, which is this one right here.
Why are you so mean? Rub it with some schleem. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Rub it with some schleem. They call me machine, cause I can do everything.
And this one, I pretty much just go as high as I can with my regular voice, and I hit almost the highest like pitch I can, but without kind of changing my voice, I guess. So those are the three voices I did, and as you can see here, I made this part of the vocal sound like there's multiple people singing it.
Ride it out till I can no more.
And I'm gonna show you that effect as well. To do this effect, basically I recorded 4 more vocals and tried to change my voice in each of them slightly, so it kind of sounds like there's multiple people. So here is the first vocal.
Ride it out till I can no more.
And yeah, I tried this accent as well, which is probably cringy, but I was having fun, so who cares? So as you can hear, this vocal is panned to the right.
Ride it out.
Then we have this one.
Ride it out till I can no more.
It's pretty much the same voice, panned to the left, but it's recorded again. Don't use the same vocal, record it again, because no two vocals are exactly the same. There will always be some variation in your voice, so make sure to record it again anyways. Then we have the third one.
Ride it out till I can no more.
I tried to do more like kind of a rock star voice. And then we have the fourth one, which I do like a deep voice.
Ride it out till I can no more.
And then all together it sounds like this.
Ride it out till I can no more.
And with the main lead vocal it sounds like this.
Ride it out till I can no more. Go.
Okay, so that is it for how I recorded the vocals. And now let's take a look what effects we can put on them to make them sound way better. So let's start with the main vocal. First, I put compressor on it with this vocals aggressive preset. So what it does, it basically makes the volume of the whole vocal more even. And if any parts are too loud, it will lower the volume of those. And if any parts are too quiet, it will boost the volume of those. So you have a more even waveform.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard.
Then we got Pitcher, which is a plugin from FL Studio. You can use autotune or whatever and set it up to the key of your song, which in my case is A major. And I set the speed to halfway between fast and medium, around here. If you go too fast, it will be super obvious that it's autotune. If you go slow, sometimes you will still hear the original vocal that is out of tune. So I just go between fast and medium, which you can definitely hear the autotune effect, but it doesn't really matter in this case.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more.
It actually creates a really nice effect. Sometimes you make the autotune obvious and it sounds pretty good. Then we have some reverb, not a lot, just a 0.6 decay, 23% reverb.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more.
Then an important EQ where I boost the high frequencies quite a lot and boost the mid frequencies as well and delete all the low frequencies from this vocal. And then it sounds like this.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more.
And this sounds way better in the actual song than alone. Then I have Soundgoodizer, which pretty much compresses the whole thing, compresses the high frequencies, I think, as well. And a lot of people hating on Soundgoodizer, but I just like to add it. It seems pretty unprofessional, and it might be, but what I care about is the results, and I liked how it sounded, so I keep it in there.
Going down on a path, not too easy, no hard. I'm gonna ride it out till I can no more.
And then I got a gate, which basically just removes the noise between parts where I don't sing. It's more obvious in the second vocal, which has the same effects on it. Basically these quiet parts, we don't need no sound there. And if I don't use the gate, you can still hear some white noise. But if we use the gate, it will be removed. Without it, you can hear the white noise.
Rub it with some phlegm.
But with it,
rub it with some phlegm.
The white noise is cut off. So yeah, you can use any gate plugin you want. FL Studio also has one. It's really easy to set up. So yeah, those are the effects. Those are the main effects. That's what we got on this vocal, the deep vocal. And also, that's what we got on the third vocal.
Why are you so mean?
And I'm gonna play the vocals with the effects in a minute. But one more thing I wanna show you is the backing vocals and what effects we have on those. So these are on channel 7 and I put some more reverb on it, as you can see, and lower the dryness as well. That way the vocals are more in the background. Then I have Stereo Shaper, which makes the vocals wider in the mix. So basically create this space where the vocals are set. Your lead vocals are in the middle and the backing vocals are more right and left. This way they are in the middle.
Ride it out till I can.
And this way they are separated more.
Ride it out till I can. No.
Also I have some more EQ on here. Don't adjust the EQ exactly how I did, because everyone has a different voice. You want to work with your voice and basically listen to the song with the vocals and then adjust the EQ. First think of what you want from this vocal and then adjust the EQ.
Ride it out till I can no more.
So these are first effects on the backing vocals, but there's more. I actually originally had different effects on the main vocals, but then I decided to change them, but I kept them on these vocals. So the backing vocals are on channel number 7, but they are routed to channel number 6 as well. So they are affected by these effects as well. So we have Pitcher again.
Ride it out till I can no more.
We have the compressor, but on the control preset.
Ride it out till I can no more.
This pretty much does the same thing. It kind of boosts the volume of the vocals, but doesn't let them like clip. Then we have some reverb.
Ride it out till I can no more.
Some more EQ where I boost the high frequencies.
Ride it out till I can no more.
But then another EQ where I lower the high mid frequency.
Ride it out till I can no more.
So yeah, just a lot of adjusting, and when you listen to the song over and over, you want to adjust the vocals more and more. Just don't overdo it, I guess. Anyways, those are the effects on our vocals. So I showed you the lead vocals and the backing vocals, and that's pretty much all we got here. Now I'm gonna play you the vocals with the effects, and then I'm gonna play the whole song with the beat and the vocals all together. So one more time with no effects.
On a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more. Going down on a...
And now with the effects.
Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more. Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more.
Then this vocal, no effects.
Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam.
And now with the effects.
Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything.
And then the last vocal, which is actually my favorite, this is with no effects.
Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam.
And now with the effects.
Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. So one really important thing when creating these vocals is to experiment with your voice. As you can see, I kind of did 3 voices here, but I recorded way more. I tried many different voices, tried to like change the color of my voice every time I recorded. But pretty much just play around with your voice. I just do this for fun anyways. I'm not like a singer or a rapper. It's a lot of fun to just kind of mess around, create songs with vocals, even though I'm not a singer. So yeah, now that I showed you all the effects and the techniques I used, let's play the whole song. Enjoy!
So mean, rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything.
Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more. Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more. Why are you so mean? Rabbit with some schleam. They call me machine, cause I can do everything. Why are you so mean? Yeah, rabbit with some schleam. Got her out of the wind, yeah, like I was Charlie Sheen. Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more. Going down on a path not too easy, no hard, I'm gonna ride it out till I can't no more.
And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, as always. Hopefully you enjoyed this little funny vocal video. I say funny, but it's also a little bit educational, I guess. You can still learn some new techniques. And I guess the most important lesson is to not take yourself seriously and just have fun with music, because that's what it's all about anyways. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.